The video covers the science-based strategies for effective note-taking. It discusses the benefits and drawbacks of handwritten and digital notes and recommends eliminating distractions, avoiding transcribing, and adding images and figures to maximize their effectiveness. The video suggests Notability and OneNote as the best note-taking apps and emphasizes the importance of the outline method. Additionally, the video outlines effective strategies for active learning, including summary sheets, synthesis questions, and flashcards. However, flashcards should only be made after the information has been organized and understood deeply. Anki is recommended as a free flashcard app for quality flashcards, and MedSchool Insiders is suggested for students seeking top marks in medical school and exams. 0 hours, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds. In this section, Dr. Jubble discusses the best practices for taking notes based on scientific research. He explains that notes should be a tool to facilitate comprehension, memorization, and more effective future studying. Furthermore, he discusses the pros and cons of taking handwritten notes versus typing notes on a computer. While the process of taking both types of notes improves comprehension and retention, the research shows that there are some benefits to taking notes by hand when it comes to memorization. However, taking notes on a laptop offers additional convenience, such as being able to store notes digitally and insert images. Dr. Jubble recommends eliminating distractions, avoiding transcribing, and taking advantage of images and figures when taking notes to maximize their effectiveness. 0 hours, 5 minutes, and 0 seconds. In this section, the video outlines the most efficient tools for taking notes in 2020, such as tablet devices that allow for both the convenience of typing and digital notes, along with the ability to draw and annotate. Notability and OneNote are introduced as among the best apps for note-taking, with the outline method being the preferred note-taking system. The video emphasizes that active learning is essential to retain information in ACE exams and outlines effective strategies for practicing active learning, including summary sheets, synthesis questions, and flashcards. 0 hours, 10 minutes, and 0 seconds. In this section, the video discusses the use of flashcards as a study technique, emphasizing that they should only be made after the information has been organized, understood deeply, and connections have been made. The speaker warns against making low-quality flashcards do